Welcome to the Visa and Immigration Hub. In today's video, we'll walk you through the UK skilled worker visa route, focusing on applicants from India and the Gulf. We'll explore the eligibility criteria, application process, and the latest changes for 2024 that are impacting salary thresholds, dependents, and more. Let's dive in. Overview of the UK skilled worker visa. The UK skilled worker visa is one of the most popular immigration routes, especially for professionals from India and the Gulf seeking employment in the UK. It allows skilled workers to live and work in the UK for a sponsoring employer, often with the opportunity to apply for permanent residence after 5 years. This visa is available to people with a valid job offer from a UK employer, who is a licensed sponsor, meeting specific skill and salary requirements. Eligibility requirements and skill levels. To qualify for a skilled worker visa, applicants must meet certain eligibility criteria. First, they need a job offer from a UK-based, Home Office-approved sponsor. The job should also meet the minimum skill level, which is now equivalent to a Regulated Qualifications Framework, or QF, Level 3, roughly the level of a UK secondary school diploma. Not all roles qualify, so if you're aiming for this visa, make sure your job matches the required skill list. Minimum salary requirements. As of April 2024, the UK government is increasing the minimum salary threshold significantly. For most skilled worker applications, the minimum salary requirement will rise to £38,700, up from the current £26,200. However, applicants already on this visa route won't need to meet the higher threshold if they extend or change employers. Occupations on the health and care worker route, and those on specific national pay scales, such as teaching roles, are exempt from this increase, allowing for more flexibility for these essential sectors. Sponsorship and job offer process. Your journey starts with a sponsorship from a UK employer, who has a license to hire international workers. The employer will provide a certificate of sponsorship, essential for your visa application. Be sure to choose employers who are on the UK's approved sponsor list, which can be accessed on the official Home Office website. Dependent visa and family members. Skilled worker visa holders can generally bring dependents, including spouses and children, with them to the UK. However, starting April 2024, the minimum income requirement for those sponsoring dependents is increasing. Initially, this will be set at £29,000 for family visas, but by early 2025, the threshold may rise to £38,700. The UK government has introduced this change to ensure sponsors can financially support their families, particularly given the cost of living adjustments. Immigration health surcharge and visa fees. In addition to the visa fee, applicants must also pay the Immigration Health Surcharge, IHS, which grants access to the UK's healthcare system. As of February 2024, the IHS will rise to £1,035 per year for adults and £776 for children under 18. This surcharge must be paid in full at the application stage, covering the entire visa duration, so it's important to budget accordingly. Shortage occupation list changes. The UK's shortage occupation list offers visa applicants a discount on salary requirements for high-demand roles. In 2024, this list will be rebranded as the Immigration Salary List, and the 20% salary discount will be removed. The government is reviewing which roles will remain on this list, meaning applicants in shortage occupations should keep an eye on the latest updates to confirm whether their role qualifies. Application process and documentation. Once you have a job offer and meet all eligibility criteria, you can begin the application process. Key documents you'll need include a valid passport, certificate of sponsorship from your employer, proof of meeting English language requirements, and financial proof if your employer is not fully covering your settlement expenses. Be meticulous in gathering these documents, as missing information could lead to application delays. Timelines, processing, and final steps. Most skilled worker visa applications are processed within 3 weeks if submitted from outside the UK. For faster results, applicants can opt for priority processing or even super priority services at an additional cost. After submitting your online application, you'll schedule an appointment to provide biometric data, fingerprints and a photo, which is the final step in securing your visa. In conclusion, the UK skilled worker visa remains a highly valuable pathway for skilled professionals from India and the Gulf to work and settle in the UK. However, 2024 brings new challenges, especially with higher salary thresholds, increased fees, and adjusted dependent policies. If you're considering this route, planning your application before April could save costs and secure your eligibility under current requirements. Thank you for watching the Visa and Immigration Hub. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates on global immigration policies. See you in the next video.